Tagal na. Saturday ng gabi yata.
Oh, mahabang preparation ito.
Exactly, no? Gabi pa. So, Monday ngayon. So, less than 48 hours. That's ample time. It's like having a concert of your own. Really. So, why, hindi namin alam kung ano pa yung song, pero why this song? Of all the songs ever written and composed?
This song kasi, maganda siya.
How profound!
Very profound.
But an eloquent speaker, and I want one more feather on your cap. You're really,
yes, okay. So, everybody,
Hello, good evening po. Sige, kain lang kayo. Mag-iimbento lang ako ng lyrics. Hindi nyo naman alam yung kanta eh. So, okay lang yun. I dedicate this song to the bride. Sorry, to my wife of course. Nag-request ng kumanta ako, so syempre. So ngayon pala, nakita niya na, sunod-sunuran lang ako. Pero joke lang. Crazy how you feel tonight. Crazy how you make it all alright, love. Sitting, smoking, feeling high. Crazy how you, oh, it feels so right. Lovely lady, I'm at your feet. God, I want you. When not like this, all my pain is seen. Adore you, the more I love you. Sitting, soaking, feeling high. In this moment, it feels so right. And I'm at your feet. I mean, you brush me in. All times like this, it's all I breathe and see. Crush me, baby. It's crazy thinking, just knowing that the world is round. I feel we're dancing on the ground. Am I right side up or upside down? But it's real. Whoa, am I dreaming? Lovely lady, I will treat you sweetly, but I adore you. So mean, you crush me. Oh, at times like this, all my pain I see. Cause you've been sleeping. Come on, crush me. So much you have given up, and I will give you back again and again. Oh, you know what I need it. So please, please present me. Oh, Diba? Kung napansin nyo, chorus yung kabisado ko. So, sa inyo.